All right, so let's go ahead and take this model out for a drive, and let's take it to South Dixie really quick. So this is an all new generation for the 2 Series. Features a new engine, the same B48 inline 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, now producing 312 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. Now, the base model, the 228i, comes with full all-wheel drive, just like this model, and that one produces 241 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. So the same amount of torque, different amount of horsepower. But let's go ahead and take it down to South Dixie over here. Actually, going around that corner felt really good, and giving it some gas has a lot of pep. Now, I don't even have it in, you know, sport mode, and it's very, very quick to shift. This new 7-speed DCT transmission, I've used it in the X1 M35i as well as the X2 M35i. It's always been great. I didn't even have it in the sport for the transmission, but let's actually throw it into sport mode now, and let's see how this vehicle livens up. So we're gonna set over here to the right and go to the S's. I am gonna put it into sport for the transmission as well. As you see, it automatically downshift. Let's go ahead and see how this puppy drives. Going around this corner, really good. Woof, great amount of torque, and it actually feels a lot more poised and a lot better than what we found in the last generation, but also even better than the X1 and the X2. Wow, it feels a lot better around these bends, a lot more sharper. Let's go ahead and downshift. Now we're gonna go over these bumps, and we're actually gonna go ahead and put it in personal. So this one doesn't come with the adapted suspension, but it does come with standard suspension. It is going to have a little bit of more bumpiness whenever you're driving on the road, so just expect that. Always choose the adaptive suspension. If you can go ahead and spring for the money and get the adaptive suspension, I would totally recommend doing that. Now we're gonna go ahead and continue going down over here, and let's see how this car drives when we have it in normal mode. I will say the MVH, when it comes to this vehicle, even though this is BMW's entry-level model, it's actually really good with eliminating the exterior sound that you hear from the wheels, as well as you know, any of the sounds that we get outside. All right, so we're gonna actually use one of the features, push to pass. Really good. I really like that feature, that boost function right there. You hold it down, it downshifts for you, and it gives you a 10-second boost to go ahead and help with getting around vehicles, just like you saw right there. And it feels really good. Having it in normal mode, you don't even need to put it into sport mode in order for you to actually enjoy the performance of this vehicle. That's how good BMW tuned this new generation of the 2 Series Gran Coupe. All right, so let's go ahead and go back out to South Dixie. I have it in sport mode again, and let's give it one last push. Oh man, you know, it feels really good. I think that BMW made an even better product than what they previously had. I've driven the M235i, the previous generation, and it was a great product. I loved the way that it felt when I went around the bends, but they killed it for this generation. It's a lot more poised, a lot more sportier, I'll tell you that much. It's a lot better, especially with the 7-speed DCT transmission. Hell of a lot better. Hell of a lot better. But with that being said, guys and gals, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys and gals in the next video. Peace.